You call it home because, well, home is a feeling. Welcome everybody for another segment of Prime Property Tour, and here we are in a beautiful gated community in the heart of Bellanwila. So stay tuned as we walk you through this magnificent house. My name is Dinushka and I'm super excited for this. So just as you walk in through the front gates of this property, you end up here in the garden that doubles up as a parking space. Now what I like about this house is the beautiful facade that you see here. Complements so nicely with the serene and quiet environment this house is in. So enough about the outside, let's go inside and see what it has in store for us. Come on guys. Just as you walk into the house, here you come to the main area, the living room. Now what I really like about this living room is the fact that it opens beautifully to the garden that's on to the right of me. Now the garden space is nice enough for you to have an extended party, for you to have a picnic, for you to entertain your guests, or just even have a cocktail party. I like how this garden has two entrances. You can come in from there and you can go straight into the dining and kitchen area using this entrance. Welcome to the kitchen area. This is where all the cooking happens. We have a beautifully finished kitchen area here. We're using high quality finishes and a solid granite countertop. Just as you make progress in this ground floor, you come to this area. Now this area, you can really use it for pretty much anything. You want to set up a TV, you want to set up a game room, you want to set up a nice area where people can come and lounge. Well, you can entertain pretty much anything here. What I like about both living rooms is that both of them open so nicely to the greenery that's available on either side. And now this is what truly makes this a place you want to call home. Before we finish the ground area of this house, I quickly want to take you to a bathroom that we have here, made out of high quality European sanitary and fittings. Now as we make our way slowly but surely to the first floor of this house, I really like how private and secluded this area of the house is from the rest of it. After very long days of work or a very tiring day, you kind of want to come, relax and unwind. And I especially like this area because it gives this homely, cozy sense of living where you can pretty much use it for just about anything. Watch some TV, relax, unwind, and maybe open this door and enjoy some cool breeze this area has to offer. Now the first floor of this house is home to all three bedrooms. Let's start off with a tour of the master bedroom. The master bedroom comes with a balcony and an attached bathroom. The attached bathroom is made out of high quality finishes, and we have used European sanitary facilities with a soft close toilet seat as well as hot and cold showers. So depending on how you want to have your morning shower, you can either choose between hot or cold water. Now let's go and have a look at the other two bedrooms here. And then there's another one here. And then we have a common bathroom right in the middle. Again with European quality sanitary fittings and a shaver socket. This house is actually built on just 7 perch of land. It's a square area of 1,600 square feet and it has 2 beautiful gardens on the front and the end. Not very many houses out there make you feel like you're truly at home. And before we close this Prime Property Tour, I just want to make sure and that you guys know that all the houses Prime Group builds is made out of bricks, and that every stage in your house is carefully monitored and inspected using the best-in-class professionals that we have. Thank you so much if you made it this far in this video. We're so glad that you watched this so far. And if you want any content related to housing or anything, a sub to the channel would be phenomenal. And if you want to get to know more details about houses like this that you want to call your next home, call the number below. So till I see you again, have a good one and stay safe.